Introducing the CDI 2502-I-DTT 3/8, Dr. 25-250N. LB. Elec Tque Tester, the ultimate solution for your torque testing needs. Designed and manufactured by CDI Torque Products, this innovative tool combines affordability, versatility, and precision to elevate your quality control processes. With its easy-to-use touchpad screen, the CDI 2502-I-DTT allows you to capture peak torque values during a test in real time and download stored torque data to a PC. Its versatile mounting options, including integral transducer and sturdy housing, enable mounting in virtually any position, whether on a wall or in a benchtop vise, ensuring convenient testing of torque wrenches and screwdrivers. This torque tester supports multiple units of torque, including Newton meters, kgcm, ft, lb, and lb, and kgm, providing the flexibility to meet your specific requirements. With a torque accuracy of 0.5% CW and CCW from 5.6 to 100% of full scale at 25 deg-C, the CDI 2502-I-DTT delivers reliable and precise measurements. The large 4.7-inch color graphics display with a resolution of 480 x 272 pixels offers clear and detailed information, enhancing user experience and readability. It operates within a torque range of 25-250 N lb and has a drive size of 3/8 inch square. The CDI 2502-I-DTT operates in 3 modes: track, peak, and first peak, providing versatility for different testing requirements. It is powered by a 110-volt AC/DC power supply or 6 alkaline cells included. The torque tester can operate in temperatures ranging from 40 to 110 deg-F, 5 to 42 deg-C, and can be stored in temperatures between 0 to 122 deg-F, -20 to 50 deg-C. It can withstand humidity levels of up to 85% non-condensing. This torque tester complies with ISO 6789-2003 and SMEB 10728-2005 standards, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. Included with the CDI 2502-I-DTT are a storage case, AC adapter, and USB cable. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the CDI 2502-I-DTT 3/8, Dr. 25-250N lb. Elec Tque Tester. Its affordability, versatility, and precision make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the confidence of accurate and reliable measurements.